Yeah, it's about time really, isn't it? No, I'm joking. No, it's a pleasure. You know, we've been quite fortunate over the last couple of years. Well, since I've been here, we've always had some great leaders and great captains. You know, so yeah, nothing much changes for me, to be honest. We've got a load of leaders in the team anyway. So yeah, it's an honour, and yeah, I'm looking forward to tomorrow. It's a massive game for us. You know, we've had a tough couple of weeks. Boys been out in South Africa. So you know, we haven't dwelled too much on that this week. Boys have come back in training, trained well, and yeah, we're looking forward to a big derby tomorrow against Cardiff. Yeah, it's something a bit different. Like we said, we brought her in this season, so every home game during our team run, we'll all wear our local team's jersey. So I'm representing Newcastle Emlyn, obviously. That's where I started when I was a little tot. So yeah, it's great to see so many different shirts out on the pitch, and yeah, we're very proud of our community. So it's a nice thing to do. Yeah.